If your power steering reservoir cap is cracked, worn, or missing, this direct replacement cap is the ideal solution. Designed to match the fit, function, and appearance of the original part, this cap ensures a secure, leak-free seal to protect your power steering system and prevent fluid leaks. Made from high-quality materials, this cap offers durability and long-lasting performance, just like the original equipment. This cost-effective replacement cap provides the same OEM quality but at a competitive price, giving you reliable performance without breaking the bank. It has undergone thorough testing, including try-on and material testing, to ensure it fits perfectly and performs reliably. Whether you're replacing a damaged or lost cap, this power steering reservoir cap is engineered to restore your steering system's functionality. Easy to install and built to last, this power steering cap is a straightforward solution to a common problem. To make sure this part fits your vehicle, simply input your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. Don't let a missing or faulty cap cause fluid leaks or system failures. Replace it with this high-quality part today. Click the link in the description to buy now and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Subscribe to our channel for more product recommendations and automotive solutions.